Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Robbie Ansi Domot. I am 39 years old, single mother, blessed with a one kid, 20 years old. My height is 166 centimeter and my weight is 65 kilogram. I am high school graduate. I had working experience in Singapore for 4 years and 1 year and 7 months in Hong Kong. I can take care kid, baby, pets. I do cleaning, ironing, marketing, car washing, can cook Filipino food and Chinese food. Ma'am, sir, if please hire me as your helper, I'm honest, kind, and easy to follow instructions. Thank you and have a nice day.